I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today. Y'all, I'm going all in on my Christmas outfit. I'm trying to, well, it's Monday. It's going to be crooked, but I don't know how to get this to aim low enough. I don't know if that's going to do it or not. Well, I'll just have to, let me try that. Look at my pants. The nurses gave Suzanne and I these pants the other day, and they've got gingerbread houses on it. Well, so does my shirt. So check it out. I am gingerbread housed up today. All right, I'll see you at eating time. Dang coworkers, they said, "Oh, those are fun pajamas." No, it ain't pajamas. It's my fancy pants. Don't be calling them pajamas. I feel fancy. It kind of reminds me of the 80s. Those of you old enough to remember, do you remember in the 80s we would wear something like, on our shirt would be, let's say, a big flower print, but they'd be really, really big flowers, and our pants would have like little small flowers. That is the look I was thinking of this morning. All right, let's go for our cheese. Mimolette cheese. It's going to be good. Cheese, cheese, cheese. So, I woke up this morning feeling a lot better. I went ahead and took a Mucinex. And as I've been up, that's all right. I know that's what it has to do. You know what I mean? To heal. But yesterday was so thick and gross. I still took my See, the thing is, where's my spoon? Where's my spoon? Hold up. Now listen. I was mad at this morning, Terri. Oh, here it is. You know what she sent me? You know what she had the nerve to send me? A regular spoon. Dude, how cruel is that? Sometimes I just want to smack her. But, let's get into this. Oh, yeah. So, it is, I got some adobo from Amazon. I like adobo. But I also, from Walmart, had an adobo with pepper. So I mixed them and added some sazon, whatever. So that's the seasoning on here. And I did put a couple chunks of fat in there. You know, whenever I put that in there, it really makes it more steak-like. And it's good. It's juicy. Anyway, so I feel like I'm feeling better. Of course, I did last time after the shot then, too. Hang on now. It's dripping. I didn't weigh it. Listen. Here's the deal. Family starts coming in tonight. I might go see them. Not really sure. But I ain't tracking jack until they're gone. They leave out next Sunday. Well, all of them but one sister. She's staying in town for a while. But I ain't tracking jack. I'll tell y'all what I eat. I'll show y'all what I eat. No judgments, because it's going to get wild. We ain't even stepping on the scale. We ain't stepping on the scale till after they're gone. Maybe even a week. So, like, we'll give them a week of being gone. Then we'll step on the scale, assess the damage. But, yeah, I will be taking over, like, I wish I had the plan in front of me. I think tomorrow they're talking about having pulled pork for supper. Tonight, Mom's making chili for them that they can eat when they come into town. I might go over. I might see if I can slip out a little early, run home, feed the dogs, then go to Mom's and then eat some chili with them. And then tomorrow they're having pulled pork, so I can have that. And then Wednesday is Christmas Eve. What did they talk about making on Wednesday? Oh, they're going to do like a Mexican-y type stuff. So having like, cooking up some ground beef and chicken and having some shells at the house. So I'll probably have a taco bowl. And I'll be adding in stuff. I'm going to be we're doing. Family's here, we're doing. And then then Thanksgiving or Christmas, we're talking about having Chinese, going out to eat for Chinese. That is going to be a hot mess. So they're planning on one meal for each day and then whatever leftovers people want for their lunch. So, yeah, so I'm off work Christmas Eve, and that's when we're having, what did I say? The Mexican, homemade, southwesterny. Christmas Day I'm off, and we're going to have go out to eat at Chinese. Hang on just a second. Friday I work, but Friday is going to be our family Christmas, so I'll probably slip out 30, 45 minutes early. Again, run home, feed the dogs, and go to Mom's. And then we'll open our presents and stuff. And so that ham and a nice dinner for Christmas. And then Saturday, they'll have lasagna. Mom said she'll have lasagna. And then, but she's going to make me one without noodles, with all the stuff, but no noodles. So my thought process is this. I am going to bring over, like maybe tomorrow or whenever, I'm going to bring over extra little baggies of my meat. So like ground beef, maybe whenever I go, I'll just bring my lunchbox. I'll toss in like a baggie of ground beef and a baggie of pork steak and whichever one I'm in the mood for. So my thought process, if I can bulk up whatever it is they're having. Now I wouldn't need it for the pulled pork, but I'll still bring some. But so my plan is so like, if I go over tonight and we have chili, dump some extra ground beef in there to bulk it up. So I can have a little more meat heavy things. So that's my thought process, is taking my own stuff and bulking it up. So that's kind of my thought process. Then, Saturday, hopefully, like once everybody's here, I can kind of feel them out Friday night, and hopefully, I need to call they're not open until Thursday or Friday, but I need to call that place and see, if they're already, everything's already reserved, for the escape room. If it is, then we can go play pool. We'll see how things go. But anyway, so that's kind of the plan for the week. Oh, my ears. My ears are still sore. It's like I'm in a tunnel. Yeah, so that's the food game plan. We'll have those as like main meals, and then like I said, the other meals will be leftovers. So that's my plan, and I'm going to eat what I eat, and I'll show you my plates and do what I do. So I'm kind of being a little bit risky this year. But like I said, we'll get back on it as soon as everybody's going. And like I said, we'll step on the scale. We'll probably step on the scale on Monday morning just to, me, I've got to know the data. So I can see what the damage is. After I got my, steroid shot today or yesterday. So I'm going to be extra. So that's not good. Because last week after my steroid shot, I got up to 174. But then I got back down to 169. So, anyway, so all that food's going to be around on top of having had a steroid shot. So I'm going to eat somebody's arm if they get in the way. Anyway, all right. I'll see you at Lupper. And, if I see the family, whatever, I'll let you know. I'm at Mom's. Oh, the chili's over on the table. I've added some pork steak. It's in the bottom of my bowl. And this is her spread. So that's and then I'll show y'all whenever I put it together. So I got some pork steak under there and my chili, and I got cheese in it. So that's what I'm having. I'm having a second bowl of the same thing. Don't say a word. Don't say a word. But, I'll show you. So, brownie and some kind of chocolate ice cream. Well, that's a wrap. Yes. Yes, I do have some. You know exactly what these are. But that's a wrap. I'm going to tell y'all everything I ate. It may not be the best choices, but I'm still going to tell y'all. And it's just going to... Oh, pardon. Hi. So I'm going to show y'all everything I eat. And we'll just deal with it after everybody's gone. I love y'all. It's going to be pretty rough, but I love y'all. Bye.